Go, Sam.
Ate Love, I know it's past your birthday, but it's better late than never, so happy birthday po. January 3rd, if I'm not mistaken, January 3rd, I don't even know if I was tweeting that day. That's been MIN Twitter. But anyways, happy birthday. We hope it was a great birthday for you. And I really hope this is a great year for you too. Of course, it's bagong taon na ngayon. And I just want to thank you for just always being there, always coming to see me, kahit malayo pa kayo. But happy birthday po, and I hope to see you soon. Sana before I leave for the States, and I know you have Sinulog Festival this weekend, this next coming weekend in Cebu. So enjoy that. I won't be a part of that. Basta hopefully I'll see you before I go to the States. So thank you again. Happy birthday.
Love you.
And I love you, Ate Love, of course.
Thank you.
Hi, Ate Love. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa love na binibigyan mo sa akin. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Go.
Hi, Ate Love. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. And sana hopefully soon makapunta ako dun sa Cebu. And, ayun, happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Go. Happy birthday.
Ate Love! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Palagi. I love you. Hindi ko alam kung kaibigan mo si Ate Mare. Ayun, thank you. More power and God bless you. Love you.
Go.
Hey, Ate Love, happy birthday, happy New Year, and Merry Christmas belated, and the love life always. Enjoy this epic 2012, at in 2012, na pinag-usapan ng lahat. Kaya make sure you enjoy and ride that wave. Love life always.
Ate Love. Kumusta? I love you. God bless. Ingat ka parate.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Thank you, JM.